Want to pair your Logitech MX Master 4 to the Logi Bolt Receiver, maybe because it got disconnected? Then here's how you connect the receiver to the MX Master 4 in less than a minute. First of all, you'll need to download and install the Logi Options Plus app on either your Mac or Windows. Now launch the app, and you need to tap on Add Device. It will only show Bluetooth until you plug in the Logi Bolt receiver. Now you'll need to select your Logi Bolt, and now that it's searching, grab your mouse, flip it to its back, and press and hold the Connect button until the LED starts blinking. As soon as you do that, it will appear on the app. If you're on Windows, you may see the connection pop up. Just ignore it or else it won't work. So tap on your MX Master 4 on the app, and now follow the prompts and press the left or right button as shown. If you do it wrong, just tap on Try Again and start over. There you go. Your MX Master 4 is connected to the receiver and ready to set up. So you can follow the prompts and customize your MX Master 4, but what we're here for is done. Now you'll be able to plug in the receiver into any device and start using your MX Master 4 right away. Hope this helped. Enjoy!